Hi children, happy to see you all. This is Sandhya from Bharati Dasnar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 3rd standard maths 4th lesson. Today we are going to see a very interesting topic. Before going to the topic, I will give some introduction about the topic. So listen my children. Now consider this is Nani, our class student Nani. Nani have 4 bananas. Now in this banana he is going to give into the family. The first banana, listen here. Here in this first banana we will give it to the father, and the second banana is going to give it to the mother, and in this third banana is going to give it to your sweet sister. Now tell me Nani, how many bananas left with you? Very good, 1 banana. How did you say the answer dear? Oh, by subtracting we get the answer. So listen my children, totally Nani has 4 bananas. How many bananas? 4 bananas. Gave 3 bananas to his family. 3 bananas to his family. I asked him, remaining how many bananas do you have? So he said the answer, I have 1 banana ma'am. How you said the answer? Yeah, by subtracting we get the answer. The symbol for subtraction is minus. The symbol for subtraction is minus. So listen my children, totally 4 bananas is there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 bananas he gave to his family. So subtract these 3 bananas. Remaining we have only 1 banana. So the minus, the subtraction symbol is minus. Okay, so next we will see the another example. Now listen Anjali, you have 6 apples. How many apples? 6 apples. You are going to give 3 apples to Anita. Okay, Anjali has 6 apples. How many apples? 6 apples. Is going to give 3 apples to his friend Anita. So remaining how many apples left with you Anjali? Very good, 3 apples. For example, 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. There are 6 apples. 3 apples she gave to his friend Anita. Remaining we have 3 apples. So 6 minus 3, the answer is 3. Next we will see another example. Listen my children. Here totally we have 5 birds are there. How many birds are there? 5 birds. So write 5 and minus, and then here we have 2 birds. So what is the answer? 5 minus 2. Just put 5 lines and strike out 2 lines. Remaining you got the answer. Listen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and strike out 2 lines. Remaining how many lines are there? 3 lines are there. So the answer is 5 minus 2. The answer is 3. Listen my children, here I will give one tricks for you. Listen here, the question, in the question we have the terms like how many left. Okay, we have the terms like left, to deduct, and to reduce, and find how much more, how much or how many needed. Find how much or how many, how much or how many needed, how many needed, how many needed, and find the difference. Find the difference. Find the difference. Find the difference. So like that and all means that is subtraction. I hope everyone knows our today's topic. What is our today's topic? Our today's topic is subtraction. What is our today's topic? Our today's topic is subtraction. So listen my children, what is mean by subtraction? What is mean by subtraction? Taking away some of the object from the collection. Okay, subtraction means taking away. Subtraction means MEANS. Subtraction means taking away. So listen my children, now I am telling what is subtraction. So subtraction means taking away some of the object from the collection. Taking away some of the object. Taking away some of the object from the collection. And counting a remaining object. Okay, and counting remaining object of the collection. Counting remaining object of the collection. Remaining object of the collection. So listen here children, what is mean by subtraction? So subtraction means taking away some of the object from the collection and counting a remaining object of the collection. For example, I have 5 chocolate. Okay, so I'll give 3 chocolate to my friend. So subtraction means taking away some of the object from the collection. My collection is 5, I'll remove 3. Okay, and remaining, what is the answer? 5 minus 3, the answer is 2. Okay children, so this is called as subtraction. In the subtraction terms, we have some names. The first number 5 is denoted minuend, MINUEND, and 3 is called subtrahend, HEND. The first number is called the median and second number is called the subtrahend, and the final answer is called the difference. What is the answer? 2 is called the difference, DIFFERENCE. The first number is called median, the second number is called subtrahend, and final answer is called the difference. So listen my children, why do we call this first number as median? Because it is the number which you take something. Okay, because it is a number which you take something and must be a larger number, So the larger number is called as the median and the smaller number is called as the subtrahend. The larger number is called as the median and the smaller number is called as the subtrahend, and final answer is called the difference. Today we will see only 2 topics, that is subtraction without regrouping and subtraction with regrouping. What is that? Subtraction without regrouping and subtraction with regrouping. So exercise 4A, our first topic, subtraction without regrouping. What is the first topic? Subtraction without regrouping. Subtraction without a regrouping. Subtraction without regrouping and subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping. Our first topic without regrouping. Here this is with regrouping. So, subtraction without regrouping and subtraction with regrouping. We will see one by one. Listen children. So, our first topic, subtraction without regrouping. So, what does mean by without regrouping? Without regrouping means when we are doing the subtraction problem, if the sum does not have the borrow, is called the subtraction without a regrouping. So, write that what is meant by subtraction without regrouping means when we are doing the subtraction problem, if the sum does not have the borrow, is called subtraction without regrouping. So, if the sum does not have the borrow, that is when we are doing the subtraction problem, if the sum does not have the borrow, it is called subtraction without a regrouping. So, listen my children, first the question they are given. 74 minus 53. So, I hope everyone knows when we are doing the subtraction or addition problem, first we will write the, very good Nani, what is that? Place values. What is our first place value? Yeah, our first place value is ones and our second place value is tens. Our first place value is ones and second place value is tens. This is first group of the number and this is second group of the number. Now we are going to write the ones place 4 and the tenth place 7. Here the ones place value is 3 and the tenth place value is 5. Now we are going to subtract this. While subtracting time, first we should start from the ones place onwards. Here the ones place values are 4 and 3. 4 ones minus 3 ones. Just show your forefinger. Now 4 3 finger. Remaining how many fingers are there? Yeah, we have only 1. The answer is 1. Now tell me, see that what is the answer? 7 minus 5. Very good dear. 7 minus 5, the answer is 2. 7 minus 5, the answer is 2. So, here write the answer 21. What is the answer? 21. So, we will see 2 more examples. Listen my dears. And our next example is 3-digit number 532 minus 320. So, what is our first step? Yeah, very good. Our first step is place values. Write the place values. Here we have 3-digit number. Write 3 place values. Ones, tens, 100. So, write here ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here what is the ones place value? The ones place value is 2. Now tell me Nani, what is the tens place value? Very good. The tens place value is 3. And what is the 100 place value? 100th place value is 5. Next we will take ones place value is 0, 10th place value is 2 and 100th place value is 3. Now we are going to subtract this. While subtracting time, first we will take the ones place value, 10th place value and then 100th place value. So take 2 minus 0. So what is the answer? 2 minus 0. The answer is 2. Next we will take 3 minus 2. Now you put 3 lines and strike out 2 lines. How many lines? 2 lines. Remaining what is the answer? The answer is 1. So write the answer 1. Next we will take 5 minus 3. Now Nasreen, tell me the answer. What is the answer? 5 minus 3. So show your 5 finger and for 3 finger. So what is the answer? Very good. The answer is 2. So write the answer here 2. Write the answer 2. So now we will write answer equal to 212. So our third sum is 753 minus 421. Our first step is place values. What is the first place values? Ones, and second place value is tens, and third place value is hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. Next we will take here the ones place value. What is the ones place value, Nani? Very good. The ones place value is 3, and the 10th place value is 5, and the 100th place value is 7. Here the ones place value is 1, 10th place value is 2, and 100th place value is 4. Now we are going to subtract this. Take ones place value 3 minus 1. The answer is 2, right? 2, and 5 minus 2. Show your 5 finger and 3 finger. Remaining we have 3. So write the answer 3, and 7 minus 4. Put 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And strike out 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining how many lines are there? Very good. We have 3 lines. So write the answer 332. What is the answer? 332. Listen children, now we are going to see the very interesting person. Listen here. The first one is 14 plus some box and 17. So what number should we use to 14 to get the answer 17? Very good. The answer is 3. What is the answer? 3. So take a 14 plus 3. 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. So the answer is 7 and 1. Okay. So here you listen. 14 and then one number. So what number should be used to add 14 to get the sum 29? So simply you subtract, you get the answer. Take 29 and then minus 14. Minus 14. So what is the answer? 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4, the answer is 5. Very good, Gokul. So write the answer 5, and 2 minus 1. So what is the answer? The answer is 1. So here we use 15 means we got the answer 29. 14 plus 15, the answer is 29. So listen my children, what is the answer? 15 minus 12. The answer is 3. 15 minus 12, the answer is 3. So write the answer 3. Now you check this. 14 plus 3, the answer is 17. The next one, 15 minus 12, the answer is 3. And 29, what number should we use to subtract 29 to get the answer 14? Listen here. Take 29 minus 14. Take 29 minus 14. So what is the answer? 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4, the answer is 5. And 2 minus 1, the answer is 1. So we'll write here 15. We'll write here 15. So 29 minus 15, the answer is 14. Now you check all the side, you get the correct answer. 14 plus 3, the answer is 17. 15 minus 12, the answer is 3. 17 minus 3, the answer is 14. 3 plus 12, the answer is 15. And 14 plus 15, the answer is 20. So listen my children, like this we have many puzzles in your internet. Okay, just see and solve all the puzzles. Listen children, I hope everyone enjoyed this section, right? In this below description, we have what is study material, question bank and assessment work. So my dear student, do all the exercise problem. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you children. We'll see you in next section.